Ever think of easy way to deposit your funds to Bitget? There is always a sleek way to do it, especially for Canadian and Australian users that I will cover up in today's video. So this is a really fire-hot method for you to easily buy crypto assets you desire. But heads up, before starting, make sure to complete identity verification. Otherwise your payments won't be successful. So get your phone ready and follow the guide today. Before you are using all this payment gateway, you needed to make sure to do an identity verification. So how do you do it? Here is some steps to do it. Register or sign into Bitget by accessing their website. Click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the navigation bar, then tap on Identity Verification to access the identity verification page. Click Verify and proceed to the verification page. Select the issuing country/region and ID type. Upload a photo of your ID. Depending on your selected country/region and ID type, you may be required to upload either a document, front, or photo, front and back. Complete facial recognition on your computer/mobile. That is all steps for identity verification. Now we are getting to the next steps. Deposit lightning fast for all of you Canadian, as this is one of the most popular payment gateway to use in Canada. You can now deposit with Interac. Interac manages several networks that power a large share of Canada's payments. Using this payment gateway, you can deposit nearly any kind of cryptocurrency with Interac at a lightning fast speed. Alright, that is a simple explanation for Interac, but how do you exactly deposit with it? Here is some steps. Register or sign into Bitget by accessing their website. Click Buy Crypto at the top. Select Fiat type CAD. Interac e-transfer. The second payment option is available for Australian users which can now deposit with PAYID at a low fees. You can surely use PAYID as it is now available for Bitget users. Grab all the benefit and use PAYID to deposit USDT and other cryptocurrency with AUD currency. The way to buy cryptocurrency with PAYID is a bit different than Interac. Here is how you do it. Register or sign into Bitget by accessing their website. Click Buy Crypto at the top. Select Fiat type AUD. Click Pay ID. Input amount, select the crypto you need, click to read and agree to terms, click Next. Proceed to pay with selected bank. And that is how Bitget put extra care to its users. Bitget is now making deposit much easier for Canadian and Australian users, so for users in that region please acknowledge that depositing is now worry-free. If you like my contents, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.